What is a narrative? A narrative can be written in any kind of form. When we watch, let's say, the Bobby Brown story, we're watching a narrative. Or let's say that you're reading a book on Beyonce. It's a narrative. Every day we read stories or heard them, and that is what we've all come to call them. Just that, stories. But what if I told you the real name of a story is a narrative? Narrators are who tell the story in the events that it happens. So, as in the first paragraph, everything have a narrative. So in simple words, a narrative is a story is a narrative, and a narrative is everything you hear. It doesn't matter, what if someone tells you about their day? All the way to a biography. It is a story or a narrative.